Hi guys, myself Siddharth, and I welcome you to my channel.
Hello, myself Jessica. Today we are going to discuss about the word articulate.
So, without any further delay, let's get started. Meaning of the word articulate in English means having or showing the ability to speak fluently and coherently. Or 2. Technical, having joints or jointed segments.
Meaning of the word articulate in Hindi means
spasht या फिर गांठदार.
So guys, let's understand this word by framing some sentences.
1. An articulate account of their experiences. 2. He articulated each word with precision. 3. Delicate articulate plants with a slender central stem. 4. The mandible is a solid piece articulating with the head.
Thank you, Jessica, for explaining me. Guys, I hope you have also understood the meaning of articulate in Hindi as well as in English language. This is for today, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.